Endless Hiccups Challenge. The world record for the longest hiccuping spree is one of the most bizarre and hilarious stories you'll hear today. Imagine starting to hiccup as a teenager and not stopping for the rest of your life. This actually happened. It all began in 1922 when Charles Osborne from Iowa got the hiccups after a fall while trying to weigh a hog. What started as a simple case of hiccups turned into a daily ordeal that lasted for an unbelievable 68 years, finally ending in 1990. That's over 25,000 days of non-stop hiccuping. Doctors and scientists were baffled by his condition and tried everything from hypnosis to medication, but nothing worked. At times, Osborne's hiccups reached up to 40 times per minute, making everyday life a true test of patience and endurance. Despite this constant challenge, Osborne managed to live a relatively normal life, getting married twice and having 8 children. His story stands as a mind-blowing example of human resilience, turning an everyday annoyance into a record-breaking phenomenon that's both fascinating and funny.